which brought me the hat that I need for the stream right here. This is my alter ego. I need the Max Win.
We fucking with that too?
Wake up, filthy.
I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I've been feeling like I'm Kenan, riding with a Caltech. If you mean it, baby girl, do you mean it? I've been leaning, baby girl, I've been leaning. Phone still ringing, battling all my demons. I've been fiending, baby girl, I've been fiending. Hope you love me, baby, I hope you mean it. To Poland, I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland.
I fell in love with the pen, started fucking the ink. The hustle's the art, I painted what I would think. Still allergic to broke, prescription straight to the paper. Destined for greatness, but got a place in Jamaica. Fill on the water with the wonderful views. Only fat nigga in the sauna with shoes. When they got a yacht, I'm talking carnival cruise. And these niggas talking like Jose, man, they not in my shoes. It's the red bottom boss, came to buy the bar. Every bot week shit, I'm bound to buy a car. Murder Sadie Benz, so that bubble double up. Headlights flicking, looking like a falling star. Every day them hammers bang with me, yeah, like anime. I run the game, but the ladies think I'm running game. Mink coats make your woman wanna fornicate. Rose and Drake, I'm getting cake, nothing short of great.
I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral.
I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral. I want fried chicken at my funeral.
I fell in love with the pen, started fucking the ink.